Alright everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about something really interesting that often makes us scratch our heads. Why are some diseases hereditary? You know, the ones that seem to run in families, passed down from parents to children. It's a fundamental part of genetics, and it's pretty fascinating once you understand how it works. So, let's start by remembering our old friend, DNA. Think of DNA as your body's complete instruction manual, and within that manual are individual sections called genes. Genes are like the specific recipes for building and running every part of you, from your eye color to how your heart functions. You inherit half of your DNA, half of your genes, from your biological mother and the other half from your biological father. It's like getting half a cookbook from each parent to make up your complete recipe collection. Now, sometimes, there can be a tiny typo or a mutation in one of these gene recipes. Most of the time, these typos don't cause any problems. Your body might have a backup copy, or the gene might not be super critical. But sometimes, a specific typo in a very important gene can change how a protein is made, or even stop it from being made at all. If that protein is crucial for a certain body function, then that typo, or mutation, can lead to a disease. When we say a disease is hereditary, it means that this particular gene mutation, this typo, is present in the DNA that was passed down from a parent to their child. So, if a parent has a specific gene mutation that causes a disease, there's a chance they'll pass that exact mutated gene on to their children. It's not always a guarantee that a child will get the disease, even if they inherit the mutated gene. Sometimes, you need to inherit 2 copies of the mutated gene, one from each parent, for the disease to show up. This is called a recessive inheritance pattern. Other times, just inheriting 1 copy of the mutated gene from one parent is enough for the disease to develop. This is called a dominant inheritance pattern. There are also more complex situations where multiple genes, or a combination of genes and environmental factors, play a role. Understanding hereditary diseases is super important. It helps doctors diagnose conditions earlier, and it allows families to understand their risks and make informed decisions. It also fuels research into finding new treatments and even potential cures by targeting these specific genetic typos. So, hereditary diseases are essentially the result of specific genetic instructions, or typos, being passed down through generations. It's a powerful reminder of how deeply connected we are to our family's genetic story. Pretty incredible, right?